Adding Ugba to your unripe plantain is a game changer. In today's video, I made this delicious unripe plantain, adding Ugba. Come, let me show you how I made it. You'll be needing all of this, especially Ugba. It enhances the taste. And of course, the first thing to do is to wash your unripe plantain, peel and dice them into smaller shapes. Dicing them into smaller shape will make it to be able to, porridge much better. If they are too chunky, it doesn't really give that porridge vibe. Next needs to go ahead and prep all you'll be needing to cook this unripe plantain porridge, of which all of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section. Do well to check it out. Before I dice my unripe plantain, I like to rub palm oil in my palms. You know that sticky black thing that always stays on palms when you are done cutting unripe plantain? If you apply palm oil, it will not happen to your head. Too many shapes you can cut your unripe plantain for porridge, but today I'm using this dicing method. Once you are done with that, next needs to transfer it into your clean pot or pan. Add clean drinkable water. I like to emphasize on drinkable water so you don't forget, okay? Do not add too much water because this easily cooks. Just add water to the level of the plantain and cover to come to a boil. Don't forget to check on interval so the water will not dry up without you knowing. At this point, our plantain is well cooked and tender, just as so guys, I told you I made this in a special way and it came out so lovely. Everybody enjoyed it. Into your clean pan or pot, add your palm oil, saute your onions till fragrant, and then go ahead and fry your crayfish. If you toast this crayfish a little bit, or rather if you fry this crayfish a little bit, the taste will really come out. So fry it comes to this point, just as you can see. Add your seasoning, add salt and pepper to taste. Fry for 5 to 7 minutes and then go in with your deboned and washed banla fish. Just as you can see, you can use any protein of choice, okay? Even if you don't have any fish or meat, it's still fine. Unripe plantain always comes out tasty. At this point, I added my Ugba oil bean, which is totally optional. The next thing I did was to add my already made sauce into the unripe cooked plantain and mix properly. On a low heat, mix this until it is well combined. Then go ahead and add your already sliced and washed scent leaf. Top up with a little more crayfish, guys. It enhances the taste so well. This plantain tasted so nice that you will eat and want to eat over and over. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Comment, like and share, and know that I love you from this end. Until next time, eat healthy, take care of yourself and take care of your body. That's the only place you have to live in. Bye.